Hello, and welcome back to another episode in the Montana Voter Education video series. Have you ever wondered how your particular polling location is determined in Montana? Well, in this video, we're going to take it to the streets and talk about precincts and polling places. A precinct is a specific voting subdivision of the county defined by boundary lines on a map. A polling place is the actual building or location where you and everyone else that is registered within your precinct would go to vote in person on election day. Now, you may wonder what goes into defining how many different precincts there are in any county, or how the specific polling places are selected. In the next few minutes, we'll answer both of those questions. First, let's look at forming precincts. Dividing a county into precincts, each with a polling location in or near the precinct, allows people to vote close to where they live without having to drive across the county to vote. With that in mind, the governing body in each county is responsible for establishing a convenient number of election precincts, while equalizing the number of electors in each precinct as much as possible. Another factor these boards consider is the fact that the boundaries of cities, school districts, fire districts, and many other types of special districts often overlap. Creating smaller precincts minimizes the number of various district boundaries that will run through that precinct. This reduces the number of different ballots poll workers will need to manage on election day, and helps ensure that you and everyone else in your precinct will receive the right ballot based on where you live. The county governing body must designate the polling place for each precinct, and if possible, the same polling place must be used for both the primary and general elections. Polling places can be public or private buildings, such as fire halls, fairgrounds, churches, or schools. Regardless of location, the county election administrator reviews each potential polling place to ensure that it will provide for both ballot secrecy and voter accessibility. If a large enough facility is conveniently located, 2 or more precincts may even share a common polling place. In an earlier series, you learned about what to do when you get to your polling place. Now you know how those polling places are selected and how the precincts they represent are maintained. In our next video, you'll learn about how redistricting can affect what races you get to vote on when you get there. Catch you next time!